How to fix the Kingshot app not working on your iPhone or Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the Kingshot application not working on your device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi or any form of connection that you're using is working properly. After this, open your Play Store if you're using Android and your App Store if you're using iPhone. Then search for Kingshot application. Once you find it and if you see an update button instead of play, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version. And after the update, it will help you fix the bugs, glitches, and it will help you see and participate in the new event inside the game. Well, after that, try clearing the cache of the application. For that, tap and hold onto this application first. Then tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Scroll down and tap on Storage and then click on Clear Cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Go to Permissions and make sure that you have given all the permissions to this app. And if you're using iPhone, you can go to General and then go to iPhone Storage, search for Kingshot application, and then after upload the app. You can also try uninstalling it. Tap on uninstall, tap on OK to confirm. And when it is uninstalled or deleted completely from the device, you can go to Play Store or App Store according to your device, search for Kingshot and install it from there. If none of the solutions work, you can go ahead and contact the app's official support or guide for help. And you can also restart your entire device and it will help you solve the app problems. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.